question is, describe the various steps of Griffith's experiment that lead to the conclusion of the transforming principle. And how did the chemical nature of the transforming principle get established? Griffith demonstrated bacterial transformation experimentally by performing experiments on Diplococcus pneumoniae. So this is the bacteria which causes pneumonia in mice. So it has two distinct forms. One form secretes a polysaccharide capsule which gives the colonies a smooth appearance, and another form is non-capsulated which gives the colonies a rough appearance. So the capsule of the smooth form is virulent and gives an infected animal the disease called pneumonia, whereas on the other hand the rough form is non-virulent and it doesn't cause pneumonia. So there are steps that are involved in this transformation principle. So we will see one by one in this. So first step that is involved in transforming, Griffith, he conducted his experiments on Diplococcus pneumonia that causes pneumonia in mice. So you can see in the figure, he injected S-type living bacteria into mice and they died due to pneumonia. And then he injected live non-virulent bacteria, that is R cells, into mice and they did not suffer from pneumonia. And third time he injected heat-killed virulent S-type bacteria into mice and then he observed that they have survived equally well. And in the last time he injected a mixture of heat-killed S and live R simultaneously. So here he observed that the mice died with the symptoms of pneumonia. So living S-type bacteria were recovered from their bodies. So this happened because of something from the dead bacteria had entered the live ones and made them virulent. So this means here R-type of bacteria have been transformed to S-type and this process is called transformation. So here R-type of bacteria has been transformed to S-type. So thus the transformation is the transferring of characters from one strain to another using DNA extract of the former. So how did this chemical nature of the transforming principle get established here? So Griffith proposed that transforming principle is a chemical substance which is released by heat-killed bacteria. So it changed the R bacteria into S bacteria and it was permanent genetic change as the new S-type bacteria formed only S-type progeny.